Today we're here at SHENG. They have over 20 years experience in the manufacture of high quality hydraulic presses, and we're going to have a look at one of the latest machines in their lineup today. This uniquely designed machine is the perfect choice for spotting and tryout operation.
Apart from its distinctive design, it is also highly efficient, safe, and easy to operate. This press is able to maintain high accuracy and consistent operations over a long period of time, making it a great choice for spotting and tryout operation. First, we mount the mold on the moving bolster and lock it tightly. Then, the bolster with the mold attached moves into the machine. Next, we lower the slide and tightly lock the upper die to the slide, and the slide is then moved upwards to separate the upper and lower dies. After pressing and die spotting, the slide goes up first, then the bolster moves the lower die out, and the slide plate reverses and swivels through 180 degrees with the upper die attached. After the upper die is completely reversed, the operator can then make any necessary alignment and adjustments on the upper die or lower die according to die spotting status. These few simple steps enormously elevate die spotting performance efficiency. Fitted out with the most complete set of operational devices and accessories, this press offers exceptionally convenient operation as well as a high level of safety protection for users and maintenance staff. The key safety features on this press are
safety light curtain,
side fence and interlock, emergency stop push button, manual safety bar, pneumatic lockout device, upper die anti-slip mechanism. Other important features are lifting and clamping cylinder device, bolster moving out device, bolster position fixing device, slide guide dust-proof cover, bolster moving forward dust-proof cover, LCD display and safe independent operation panel, digital stroke control system, pressure control device, incorporated lubrication system. All of our products are processed under the strict ISO 9001 quality system, including in-house design, purchased product test, assembly, test running, inspection, and after-sales service, and all maintain the CE quality certification to ensure the best quality of each component in this product.
SHENG machinery always provides excellent quality products and diligent service to our customers, while developing this outstanding brand to be your best and most profitable partner in business.